Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 5 to the power of k equals k power 6 to 5. Solving for all values of k that satisfy this equation. So, let's start by eliminating this k here. Now, to achieve that, we are going to multiply each part of this exponent by 1 over k. This is 5 power k raised to the power of 1 over k. This equals k power 6 to 5. And this is raised to the power of 1 over k. Now, if you have a power x raised to the power of y, this equals a power x times y. So we multiply this and multiply this. So we have 5 power k times 1. That is k, and we have divided by k there. Equals k power 6 to 5 times 1. That is 6 to 5 divided by k. So from here, k divided by k is 1. So we have 5 power 1 equals k power 6 to 5 divided by k. Now, I can also decide to eliminate this 6 to 5 right here by multiplying this exponent by 1 over 6 to 5. And also, multiply this exponent by 1 over 6 to 5. Now, we go back to the same identity, a power x raised to the power of y equals a power x times y. Now, let's multiply this exponent. We are simply going to have 5 to the power of 1 times 1 over 6 to 5, that is 1 over 6 to 5, equals k power 6 to 5 times 1, that is 6 to 5, divided by k times 6 to 5, that is 6 to 5k. So this cancel this. Now, I'm going to have 5 to the power of 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 1 over k. And from here, I have 5 here, I have 6 to 5 here, I have k here, I have k here. So what I'm going to do will be to ensure that this 5 here is the same as the 6 to 5 here, because the k here is the same as the k here. So in order to achieve this, we can consider making use of this trick here. I can raise this 5 to the power of 1. I have 5 raised to the power of 1 times 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 1 over k. 1 we have here, I can express this one as 5 divided by 5. Of course, 5 divided by 5 is 1. So I'm going to replace the 1 with 5 divided by 5. So I'm going to have 5 raised to the power of 1, and this one is 5 divided by 5 times 1 over 6 to 5 equals k power 1 over k. So from here, I multiply this out. 5 times 1, that is 5. So I have 5 raised to the power of 5 divided by 5 times 6 to 5. That is 3125 equals k power 1 over k. Now at this point, I can factor out 5 here, factor out 5 from here. So we have 5 raised to the power of 5 times 1 over 3125. And this equals k raised to the power of 1 over k. Now, what is the value of 5 raised to the power of 5? Right, that's what we need to find out. 5 raised to the power of 5 equals 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This is 25. 25 times 5. This is 1 to 5 times 5. This is 6 to 5. 6 to 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 carry over 2. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 2 carry over 1. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 1, that is 31. So this is 3125 raised to the power of 1 over 3125. And this equals k power 1 over k. Now, this is likened to this particular scenario. If you have a power 1 over a equals b power 1 over b, 1 over a equals 1 over b. So we can cross multiply. A times 1, that is a, equals b times 1, that is b. So I can equate this 1 over 3125 equals 1 over k. So we cross multiply. And the k will multiply 1. I have k equals the 3125 will multiply 1 of 3125. So this is k equals 3125, and that is the solution. So you can go ahead and check if this value of k will satisfy the equation. So we have k equals 3125. And we have 5 power k equals k power 625. And k is 3125. So we have 5 power 3125 equals 3125 raised to the power 625. So from here, I can have 5 power 3125 equals 3125 is the same as having 5 to the power 5, just like what we have done earlier on. And this is raised to the power 625. So we can decide to multiply this exponent. Remember, a power x raised to the power of y equals a power x times y. So we multiply this, we have 5 times 625 now. And this is 625 times 5. And this equals 3125 because 5 times 5 is 25, 5 carry over 2. 5 times 3 is 10 plus 2, 12 carry over 1. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 1, that is 31. So right now, we simply have 5 power 3125 equals 5 power 3125. This part and this part are the same. So this actually means that our solution here is obviously correct. And that is how we can actually solve this. Is there any other way of solving it? Let me know in the comment box. Thank you and goodbye.